Hey everyone, Gabriel from Skyscaling here. So in today's video, I wanted to go over one of our new clients' results. So we have been running an ad campaign for recruiting for just about 2 months now, and the results are fantastic. So far in 2 months, our client was able to get 53 leads, and a lead is a survey submission. I'll show you the survey right after this. 53 survey submissions, which is new prospects, new leads, gives us a cost per lead of $20.66. 20 appointments were booked out of those 53 leads, which gives us a cost per appointment of $54.76. Total recruits so far, 7, which gives us a cost per recruit of $156.44. If we have a closer look right here, how do I zoom in? There we go. This is the exact ad campaign that we've been running for the past 2 months. So far, we spent $1,095.11. Total clicks of 1,185. Cost per unique click, $1.56. Click-through rate of 3.55%, which is really good. Link clicks, 575. Cost per link click, $1.90. Link click-through rate, 1.72%. CPM, $32, which is definitely on the high side. Usually you like to have a CPM under $20. This one is 32, and the results are still good. Total leads, like I said, 53. Did I write 50? Okay, 53. I thought I had written 54. 53 leads for a total cost per lead of $20.66. So I see a lot of marketing agencies using lead forms, which if you are aware of how lead forms work, I personally don't like them. I've been running ads on Facebook for many years now. I've never really liked lead forms. Yes, they're frictionless. They're seamless into Facebook. However, for me and for my clients, the quality has just never been up to par. Even if you had questions, even if you had numerous criteria directly on the lead form, they just don't compare to a landing page. And so all of our clients, all of our members have their own landing page with their own calendar pages and are getting their own leads on their landing pages with their own domain attached to the landing page. And so this is the exact process that we are currently using for all of our clients. So step number 1, we, Skyscaling, do 100% of the marketing for our clients. We don't have you launch your own ads. We launch the ads for you, and we manage every single campaign for you as well. So for example, we'd run an ad for recruiting under your Facebook business page. Here it says Facebook, but really it could be Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. But just for the sake of this workflow, I had just written Facebook on here. So for example, we run an ad on Facebook for recruiting. People click on the ad. They get redirected to your landing page, not a lead form. A landing page which has a video, the survey for them to qualify. I'll show you guys the landing page right after this. People get to the landing page, which is where they qualify. Some people will get disqualified. Why is it important to have disqualification questions? Because you want to make sure that you are only dealing with people that have the right criteria for what you have to offer. So for example, if you are doing a recruiting opportunity and you're not asking people if they are on a student visa, and you take an hour of your day, book a meeting with someone, arrive on the meeting, and your prospect tells you that they are on a student visa. Just give an example. You just lost an hour of your day. Okay, I have to break it the hard way, but you have to qualify your leads. I see a lot of marketing agencies out there that are not properly qualifying their prospects. Yes, it's nice to advertise that you're getting a low cost per lead, but if the leads aren't up to par, aren't quality, and do not actually have intent in getting what you have to offer, there's just no point. So we have a qualification page. People that do qualify get redirected to your calendar page, your own personalized calendar page, which is where people can automatically book a meeting with you. Now, about 40 to 50% of prospects will book a meeting once they get there. However, what happens to the people that don't book a meeting? Well, you would have your own AI assistant named Jessica that would reach out automatically after 3 minutes, so 180 seconds. If someone has filled out the survey, has qualified, if after 3 minutes they haven't booked a meeting, your own AI assistant would reach out automatically via SMS to your prospect, engage in a conversation with them, qualify them even more, and once the AI feels like the time is right, we resend them the link to your calendar page so that they can book that way around. By having them interact with your assistant, which most people think it's an actual human talking to them, you're able to show the prospect that you are a legitimate source, you are an actual human business, and it just gives a lot of trust, especially when it comes to life insurance or recruiting. It's hard for people to gain trust very quickly online, which is why, it's actually one of the hardest reasons why most people fail in life insurance, especially nowadays with everything being online. It's hard to build trust. But by having your own AI assistant nurture your leads, reach out to them, qualify them, engage in a conversation, you are able to show the prospect, hey, I'm a legitimate human and I can actually help you with this. And last case scenario, if people don't automatically book and your AI is not booking the appointment, you still have your prospect's information because they have filled out the survey. You can still manually call them and set the appointment manually on the phone, which all those three options result in Zoom appointments. So now let me actually show you the exact landing page that we use. So let's say I'm Gabriel, which my name is actually Gabriel, but let's say I'm Gabriel and I'm scrolling on Facebook. I see an ad for a recruiting opportunity, a business opportunity, something that gives me the ability to work from home, quit the 9 to 5, whatever it is, whatever ad we're running for you at that point. People click on the ad, they get brought to this exact landing page. We say get access to a golden business opportunity. To make sure you qualify, we kindly request some more information from you. We have a short video detailing the opportunity, kind of talking about the industry, the benefits that could get to them if they do hop in the industry. So, being able to work from home, spending more time with family, leaving the 9 to 5, all those things, having a flexible schedule. That's some things that we talk about in this video, just to get people a bit more intrigued and have them actually go through the survey. So people watch this video or don't, depends. But I would assume some people do watch this video. And right here we have a survey. We tell them work from home or work remotely. So we're just kind of bullet pointing what could benefits could get to them if they do hop in this opportunity. Help families all over Canada. 3 steps to becoming a financial security advisor. Check if you qualify, get your free no obligation consultation, start protecting families. And so the main goal of this landing page is to obviously get people to go through this survey. So first question that we are going to ask our prospects is, are you on a student visa? If someone says yes, they get disqualified. Okay, I'm sorry, but it's just how it has to be. If you are in a student visa, you can't do your LLQP license. And so in that case, you are not eligible for what we have to offer. Are you on a student visa? No, I'm not. Do you currently own a laptop or desktop computer suitable for remote work? Yes, I do. No, but I'm willing to acquire one. Or no, and I'm unwilling to obtain one, even if necessary. Obviously, this third choice will get your prospect disqualified. Let's go with yes, I do. Are you currently employed or looking for a new business opportunity? Either employed or unemployed. If the prospect answers employed, we are going to ask one extra question, which is, are you currently employed in the financial sector? This is important because this could be a conflict of interest. Even if they do say yes, they can still go through with this. But it's still important for you to know because obviously you'll have access to all these survey answers because these leads are exclusive to you. So you'll be able to analyze the answers before the meeting, maybe even call the prospect to make sure that it's not a conflict of interest. So you don't have to lose an hour of your time booking a meeting with a prospect that can't even get what you have to offer to them. How much time are you able to commit to this opportunity per week? 30 to 40 hours, let's just say. Then we are going to ask, are you comfortable with the commission-based compensation structure? Again, obviously they have to answer yes to this question. So there's 2 choices. Yes, I'm open to the concept of commission-based earnings since they offer limitless potential. Or no, I prefer a stable fixed salary. Second choice will get them disqualified. The last question. Are you willing to undergo training and obtain the necessary licenses or certifications, even if it requires an initial of a few $100s? This is great for the closing part because when you get on a Zoom call with a prospect, your prospect already knows beforehand that there's a possibility of them having to spend money to get licensed to even be a part of this journey. And so again, they have to answer yes. Next, your prospect will put in their first, last name, their phone, their email. They will consent to receiving messages, SMS messages, or emails from the business. And so the business being yourself in that case. And it will submit this information. Once they submit this information, you would receive a mobile text message on your cell phone saying new lead with the name, the email, the phone number of your new prospect. And once your prospect gives us their information, they then get redirected to your calendar page that looks like this. We say, congratulations, there's only one step left. You qualify for an outstanding golden business opportunity. To ensure you do not miss out on this journey, schedule a no obligation virtual call below and receive all the essential details for a quick and easy start. This would be your picture, career opportunity with your name and your calendar attached, with your availabilities attached to your Zoom account, so that when someone books, they receive the details, confirmation, the Zoom meeting, everything they need to actually show up. We also have some customized reminders for them to make sure they don't forget and they actually show up to that meeting. And once they book, we have a thank you page. If you have some client referrals from clients you've worked with in the past, I will put them here. If not, I will delete this portion. And this basically just says thank you for booking. You will receive an automated SMS confirming the date and time of your meeting with your name. We're excited to help you discover a career path that allows you to live the life you've always dreamed of. Now, this is all nice, but what happens if someone qualifies here, submits the survey, gets to your calendar page, and don't book a meeting? That's where your AI assistant would come in and do a lot of the heavy lifting. So like I mentioned earlier, exactly 3 minutes later, so someone books a meeting, someone qualifies, submits the survey. If after exactly 3 minutes they haven't booked a meeting, your AI assistant will reach out to your prospect with this exact message. So let me just make sure this is recruiting. Awesome. So this is the exact message that would get sent. Hello, I'll use my name as an example. Hello, Gabriel. This is Jessica, your name's assistant. We've received your inquiry, and it looks like you are exploring options for a golden business opportunity in the financial sector. Is that accurate? And this is done by SMS, by the way. So your prospect would receive this message on their cell phone, to which most people will answer something super simple like, correct. And by the way, this AI is programmed to handle literally any objection. It's able to handle, like, if you ask it, who are you? Who do you work for? What do you want? Your AI is able to literally 100% of handle objections like a pro. And if someone says, stop messaging me, your AI is able to disengage automatically as well. That's great to hear. To ensure this opportunity is a good fit for you, are you open to exploring this career or business opportunity at this time? Which means if we hop on a meeting, are you going to waste my time, or are you currently open to the idea of trying something new? And so let's just say, yes, I am. Most prospects answer pretty neutrally. So yes, I am. In that case, it seems like you would benefit from a discussion with your name himself or herself. He or she could perform a comprehensive analysis and assess whether this opportunity aligns well with your needs, all at absolutely no risk to you. Would you like to schedule a call? Yes, I would. And I won't test any objections here today because we could go on for the whole day. But if I was to say no, the chatbot or Jessica, your AI assistant, would say, what's holding you back? Is there anything I can help you to overcome that now, or something along those lines? I don't remember perfectly, but perfect. Here's the link to lock in a time with the link to your calendar page. Let me know if you have any other questions. Now, the nice part about this AI is, what if someone answers to a couple messages but stops responding? Well, we have some follow-ups. So Jessica is able to automatically follow up with someone that has stopped responding. There's one follow-up after 18 hours, another follow-up 3 days later, another one a week later, 2 weeks later, a month later, 2 months later, 6 months later, and a year later. So you could get a lead today and have Jessica follow up with them 6 months from today, have that person engage in a conversation then. Jessica will handle the conversation, get them to book a meeting 6 months from today. So in terms of actually prospecting and nurturing, there's literally nothing you have to do except maybe calling a couple prospects here and there that don't answer to the AI or don't automatically book a meeting. But other than that, the AI and our system is going to do a lot of the heavy lifting. So if I get back to here really quickly, this is exactly how one of our clients has gotten 53 survey submissions being people completing this part right here. Okay, so if I just, okay, so 53 people completing this part for $20.66 per lead, per survey submissions. 20 people booked appointment, which is about less than maybe 40% of 53 leads. So 20 people booked, the cost per appointment being $54. 7 recruits came out of those 20 appointments, and this is the process that we use. So If you are a licensed insurance agent in Canada, okay, we currently don't work in the U.S. We only take on Canadian advisors. If you are in the life insurance sector and you would like to have a system like this that could help you get recruits on demand, maybe you don't have time to prospect, or you're just not able to prospect on your own. You'd like someone, a professional team, to work with you and handle all that stuff. Reach out to us, skyscaling.com, book a meeting with one of our professionals, and we'll see if we can help you. So it's been Gabriel. I guess that's pretty much it for today. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comment below or email us at skyscaling@hotmail.com, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.